Top tips to make your affiliate marketing more productive. Do you remember back before you even used affiliate marketing to help with your company growth? You probably wonder how you even managed at the time. It is important to make sure you stay on top of the current trends, and this video is just for your situation. To be paid fairly, check if the affiliate marketing program you joined keeps their statistics up to date. Good statistics should tell you how many people visited the website, how many of them bought something, and how many of these sales you are responsible for. If the numbers do not seem right, perhaps the program is hiding information from you. When placing affiliate marketing links on your blog page, consider using the advertising hotspots. These include the top left corner of your site, the end of your posts, and even contextual links in your posts. The easier it is for people to find and click on your affiliate links, the more money you will earn. Affiliate programming is a gradual process that takes a while to make money from. It is important to remember that many programs give you lifetime payouts for members that you refer to their service. You must remember that affiliate advertising is not a get-rich-quick scheme, rather, it is an easy way to make some extra cash. Affiliate marketing entails many tasks, some hard and some easy. You should always tackle the hardest and longest tasks first if you want to be productive. By doing this, you will be able to coast through the easier tasks, ending your workday on a good, strong note. Plus, handling the tougher tasks first allows you to get more of them done per day. Target keywords and reviews that you write for the marquee products you will promote on your site. Create backlinks to the review you have written, and it will increase the search engine ranking. This strategy will target the people who are actually interested in buying things. If you do not have your own website to promote affiliate products on, then create one. A website is a great place to communicate with potential buyers and market affiliate products. On the website include relevant videos, useful product reviews, and your contact information so that customers can get in touch. To summarize, you have been around affiliate marketing and have a pretty decent grasp as to how to use it to help you. What is important is that you stay current on the new ideas and standards that are used. Hopefully this video will guide you in the right direction. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.